Так, люди продолжают бороться со снегом, хотя, по-моему, это вообще уже бесполезное занятие. А у нас тут вот
ეს უცბად ჩამოწვა და მოიყოლა შიგნით.
Я никак не откопаюсь. Лопату только надо. Лопаты нет. Есть только этот физик. Просто физикурат. Амбиция. Наверное, столько добавить.
რიკოც აგერ ჟომა ჩაიტანა ვანქანი. აღარ მინდა იდე დამოტყნული ლახათ ვარ აღბარჩის რივშევდაი ტრაკი რამ ხელათულია დედო
The port city of Batumi, located on the Black Sea coast in Georgia, experienced a rare event, a heavy snowstorm that had a significant impact on the city and the surrounding region. Known for its typically mild subtropical climate, Batumi and the surrounding areas were blanketed with heavy snow, disrupting daily life for residents. Snowfall of over 50 centimeters covered Batumi, while in the Ajara mountain region, snow depth reached about 1 meter. This event was extraordinary because Batumi rarely experiences heavy snow, given its usually warmer climate. This weather phenomenon created stunning visuals, but also caused severe damage to the city's infrastructure, public services, and transportation. Reports indicate that several important buildings in Batumi suffered damage. One of the most notable incidents was the collapse of the main entrance to Batumi International Airport, due to the weight of the accumulated snow. Additionally, the roof of the Azerbaijan consulate, a historic building in the city center, was severely damaged during the storm. This situation forced many residents and tourists to seek shelter in safer areas, while authorities worked to repair the damage caused by the storm. The snowstorm caused major disruptions to Batumi's transportation system. Major roads were blocked by thick snow, and many buses and other vehicles were either stuck or halted. Due to dangerous road conditions, public services were also affected. Schools and kindergartens across the 6 municipalities of Ajara were forced to close to ensure the safety of children, and several residential areas experienced power, gas, and water outages. Additionally, Batumi International Airport, which serves as a major gateway for tourists visiting the city, was impacted. A total of 8 flights were cancelled due to the adverse weather, with some flights diverted to Kutaisi Airport further inland. If possible, train services and other modes of transportation also face significant disruptions. This storm highlighted the city's dependence on transportation infrastructure that is vulnerable to extreme weather conditions. In response to the emergency, the Georgian government quickly took action to mitigate the impact of the snowstorm. The Georgian military was deployed to help clear snow from major roads, provide emergency assistance to stranded residents, and ensure the distribution of essential goods such as food, water, and medicine. Prime Minister Irakli Kobakidze stated that the government was operating in emergency mode to address the challenges faced by the people of Batumi and other parts of Ajara. He emphasized that the priority was to ensure the safety of citizens and restore public services as quickly as possible. As part of these efforts, rescue and recovery teams worked around the clock to ensure that aid reached those in need. The snowstorm left long-term effects on Batumi and the surrounding region. Given the rarity of heavy snow in this city, much of TH
მარტო არის ჭავჭავაძის ქუჩა გაწმენდები. მეტი არც ერთი. ესე გზაზე ყრია.
Uspa! Rambavia, čo? Rakna, čo? Opera!
И побил стекло в машине. Вот так.
მამა ვაწელს ამხილეთავს აღარ ვინატრებ თამდენს. წელს მომიტევეთ. ანუ ამ თას შეხედეთ პროსტა.
მოკლედ ახლა ჩვენ გვიშვებენ უკან ტუნელში. ტუნელში არის გვირაბი კიდე, რომელიც